Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is in Ikra English Grammar Book Lesson 7 and Lesson 8 Part A and Part B. Students, note it that this lesson is for other than Warsak branch student. So open your books on page 71. Our topic is the tenses. Students, what is tense? Tense shows the time of action. So the definition will be a tense is a form of a verb and it indicates the time of an action. Tense verb की फॉर्म होती है जो कि इंडिकेट जाहिर करती है कि काम किस वक्त में किया गया है. There are three tenses. First one, past, present, future. Was is the auxiliary of past, is basic auxiliary of present, while will be the basic auxiliary of future. So let's come to read that what is present tense. A verb that refers to present time now is said to be in the present tense. वो वर्ब जो कि अभी के वक्त का यानी कि मौजूदा ज़माने का हवाला दे उसे प्रेजेंट टेंस बोलते हैं. लेट्स सपोज आई ईट मैंगो, सारा इज़ अ डॉक्टर, दे हैव ब्लू पेन्स. While past tense, a verb that refers to past time that has gone is said to be in the past tense. वो वर्ब जो कि माजी के ज़माने का हवाला दे उसे past tense कहते हैं. For example, I ate mango, Sarah was a doctor, they had blue pens. And what is future tense? A verb that refers to future time. वो वर्ब जो कि हवाला दे आने वाले ज़माने का is said to be in the future tense. For example, I shall eat mango, Sarah will be a doctor, they will have blue pens. Now come to read the auxiliaries, the basic auxiliaries, which is be and have of simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. In simple present tense, we will use the be form in form of am, is, are. Students, learn it that is, are, am, was, were and shall be, will be is the form of auxiliary be. In simple present tense, be form is in is, am, are, while in past tense in be form is in was, were form, while in simple future tense be form is in shall be, will be form. Students, note it that is used for he, she, it and singular noun, while am is used for I and are is used for we, you, they and plural noun. Be is used. Students, be is used in simple past tense in the form of auxiliary was and were. Was is used for I, he, she, it and singular noun, while were is used in a sentence with the subject we, you, they and plural noun. Shall be is only used with subject I and we, but in all type of nouns and pronouns except I and we will use will be. आई और वी के अलावा जितने भी हमारे पास नाउन और प्रोनाउन हैं हम सेंटेंस में उसके लिए ऑक्सिलरी विल बी का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. एंड व्हाट इज़ हैव फॉर्म? स्टूडेंट्स, हैव फॉर्म सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हम हैज़ और हैव की सूरत में यूज़ करेंगे. हैव इज़ यूज्ड फॉर द सब्जेक्ट आई, वी, यू, दे and plural noun, while it is used for he, she, it and singular noun. And have is used in the form of had in simple past tense. Students, had is the auxiliary which is used for all types of nouns and pronouns. तमाम किस्म के noun और pronoun के लिए sentence में simple past tense वाले sentence में हम had का use करेंगे. While in simple future tense we will use shall have for I and we and the other subjects and For all types of nouns and pronouns except I and we will use will have. So come to exercise. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of be verb to make simple present tense. About be form, you know very well. I am busy today. Every student of my school is Hafiz. Mr. Samad is a famous doctor. Parrots are colorful birds. Qaid Azam and Alama Iqbal are our great leaders. Exercise B. Put these sentences into simple past and simple future tense. You know very well about the auxiliaries of simple past and simple future tense. She is a good tennis player. She was. Students, we know very well that was is used for subject he, she, it and singular. She was a good tennis player. She will be a good tennis player. I have many toys. We know about the auxiliaries, that which auxiliary is used for which subjects. I had many toys. I shall have many toys. It is hot today. It was hot today. It will be hot today. We are in class prep. We were in class prep. We shall be in class prep. This story is amazing. This story was amazing. This story will be amazing. Iram has a bad cold. Iram had a bad cold. Iram will have a bad cold. They are our neighbors. They were our neighbors. They will be our neighbors. मतलब आपने ये जो हमारे पास given sentences हैं ये present form में हैं और आपने इनके past simple tense और future simple tense बनाने हैं अगर आपको auxiliary का इस्तेमाल सही तरीके से आए. So for this first you should learn about the auxiliaries, about the uses of auxiliaries. He has never been late to school. He had never been late to school. He will have been never late to school. You are working hard. You were working hard. You will be working hard. I am Sarah's cousin. I was Sarah's cousin. I will be Sarah's cousin. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of be verb to make simple past tense. Yesterday was the last day of term. They were absent due to fever. Shakespeare was a famous writer. My mother was a teacher. This school was the biggest school of the city. Exercise D. Change the following sentences into negative. Students, how to make negative sentences from affirmative sentences. आप simple sentence से negative sentence कैसे बनाओगे students? You will add just not after the auxiliary. Sentence में auxiliaries just like is, am, are, was, were के बाद आपने not की addition करनी है. बस this is the simple way. Papaya is my favorite fruit. Papaya is not my favorite fruit. I am hungry. I am not hungry. All of us were tired at night. All of us were not tired at night. Memuna was an intelligent student. Memuna was not an intelligent student. The children are tired now. The children are not tired now. Exercise E. Change the following sentences into interrogative. We were quiet in the classroom, students. The making of interrogative sentence is also very easy, just like the making of negative sentence. Students, interrogative यानी कि question sentence बनाने के लिए आपने auxiliaries को sentence के front में लाना है. Then at the end, you will put question mark. This is very necessary. Putting of question marks is very necessary. And auxiliary will be written in the beginning of the sentence. So this is the structure of how to make interrogative sentence from simple sentence. We were quiet in the classroom. Were we quiet in the classroom? Put question mark. The bag was full of gold coins. Was the bag full of gold coins? Your hair is brown. Is your hair brown? Put question mark. I am 10 years old. Am I 10 years old? Put question mark. You are happy today. Are you happy today? Put question mark. This is question mark. Next year, she will be 5 years old. Will she be 5 years old next time? Put question mark. Note it that पुटिंग ऑफ क्वेश्चन मार्क, आपने इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के आखिर में क्वेश्चन मार्क ज़रूर लगाना है. The simple present tense. 1. The simple present tense is used to talk about habitual actions and general truths. Students, simple present tense इस्तेमाल होता है जब हम उस काम के बारे में बात कर रहे हों जो कि हम हैबिचुअल डेली करते हैं, हम उस काम के आदी हों. एंड जनरल ट्रुथ्स, और जो उमूमन हकाइक पर मबनी हों, सच्चे हों. जैसे कि आई प्ले क्रिकेट, मैं क्रिकेट खेलती हूँ. हैबिचुअल एक्शन, ही प्लेज क्रिकेट, वो क्रिकेट खेलता है. एफर्मेटिव या सिंपल सेंटेंस का स्ट्रक्चर नोट करें. फॉर सब्जेक्ट आई यू वी दे, अगर आपके पास सब्जेक्ट आई यू वी दे, इन एडिशन आई विल से दैट अगर आपके पास प्लूरल नाउन हो जैसे कि चिल्ड्रन एटसेट्रा, आई यू वी दे और प्लूरल नाउन के लिए आप वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस फुल स्टॉप लगाएंगे. सो दिस इज द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सिंपल और एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस. नेगेटिव के लिए स्टूडेंट्स इट इज़ वेरी इजी. सब्जेक्ट प्लस ऑक्सिलरी डू, अगर आपके पास सब्जेक्ट आई यू वी दे और प्लूरल नाउन है तो आप ऑक्सिलरी डू का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. प्लस नॉट, डू नॉट, प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस क्रिकेट प्लस यानी कि प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस फुल स्टॉप. सब्जेक्ट आई यू वी दे और प्लूरल नाउन के लिए अगर आप नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे तो यू विल यूज डू नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस फुल स्टॉप. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, यही ऑक्सिलरी अगर आप सिंपल सेंटेंस से इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाएंगे देन यू विल राइट डू. अगर आपके पास सब्जेक्ट आई यू वी दे और प्लूरल नाउन है तो जस्ट लाइक नेगेटिव सेंटेंस आपने डू वाली ऑक्सिलरी इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सेंटेंस, सेंटेंस के शुरू में लिखनी है. देन फॉलो द सेम स्ट्रक्चर, सब्जेक्ट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्वेश्चन मार्क इज वेरी नेसेसरी, नोट इट. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of verb to make simple present tense. The patients go to see the doctor. You know the correct answer. Miss Hina and Miss Saba teach us maths. We do not play games. Students, here not is used, that's why we will use auxiliary do. We do not play games. Arif and Razia do not do their work themselves. Just why because in bracket we are supposed to make negative sentence for this statement. Change the following sentences into negative. The carpenter make furniture out of wood. The carpenters do not make furniture out of wood. The people of Pakistan love spicy dishes. The people of Pakistan do not love spicy dishes. We will use do not because people is in plural noun. People is the plural noun. Alina and her mother visit Dubai every year. Alina and her mother do not visit Dubai every year. We enjoy holidays in the June. We do not enjoy holidays in June. They keep their copies neat and clean. They do not keep their copies neat and clean.